Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view tax documents in Fifth Third Bank. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs in the left corner of this page. Click on the Documents tab. On this page, you will see another tabs. Click on the tab that says Tax Documents. Now, you will see a drop-down arrow that shows the previous months for which you choose to access your tax records. In this video, we chose to view our tax documents for the last 12 months. After selecting, click on the file below the field to download it. Then, open the downloaded file to view the full report of your taxes. That's how you view your tax documents in Fifth Third Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.